Hi everyone, today, I'm excited to show you a simple yet powerful technique, converting a video file into an MP3 audio file using VLC. Whether you've got a video with a fantastic soundtrack or simply want to enjoy the audio without watching the video, I've got you covered. Let's dive into the process step by step using VLC. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Now, let's get started. Here I am on my PC, and I have an MP4 file with both video and a great soundtrack. I want to extract the audio and save it as an MP3 file. Let's jump onto the computer and see how it's done. To start, open your web browser and go to videolan.org. I've included the link in the description for your convenience. Download VLC, my favorite media player that works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's free, open source, and supports various video formats. Once downloaded, run through the installation process. After installation, launch VLC. In the media player, go to the top left-hand corner and click on Media. From the drop-down, select Convert, Save or use the shortcut key Ctrl+A. This will open the Open Media dialog. Click on Add to choose the MP4 file you want to convert. Navigate to your file and click Open. This selects the source file from which we'll extract the audio. Now click Convert, Save. In the Convert dialog, choose the Profile drop-down and select Audio, MP3. Then, click on Browse to select the destination for your new MP3 file. Name your file, choose MP3 as the file type, and click Save. Now that you've set everything up, click Start. Watch the progress bar at the bottom to see the conversion in action. Once completed, you'll have your MP3 file ready. Head back to your desktop and check out the new MP3 file. In my case, it's Boroki Music no video. Let's click on it to make sure the audio came through perfectly. And there it is, our MP3 file without the video. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave any suggestions for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.